Poitry Canyon Elk, Deer, and Cattle Ranch is approximately 8,836 deeded acres and totals 13.8 square miles. Located approximately 55 minutes east from I-25 in Las Animas County, the ranch is embedded in and named after the roughly 7-mile-long Poitry Canyon. The ranch itself is lined with miles of gorgeous cottonwoods, amazing rock cliffs, springs and ponds, and Native American petroglyphs. Large mule deer and elk herds abound throughout the property, while the canyon also carries your very own resident herd of Rocky Mountain bighorn sheep. Under 1 hour from Trinidad's jet-capable airport, I-25, and within a 3-hour drive of Colorado's Front Range, the ranch is also a convenient 3.5-hour drive to Amarillo and the millions of sportsmen calling Texas home. With gently rolling mesas and an average altitude in the 5,000 feet range and vertical canyons of 800 feet, the ranch enjoys a mild 4-season climate that one can easily enjoy for a lifetime. With an excellent road and side-by-side system totaling approximately 30 miles of ranch trails, this property leaves little to be desired. This incredible, well-watered, fenced and cross-fenced holding offers end-of-the-road, lock-gate privacy. The property also includes a very comfortable 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch house with a full-length covered front porch, 40 by 80 shop, half with concrete floor and heated. Included also is a walk-in cooler, wash-down pad, 2-bedroom shop apartment, and 4 bays for equipment storage. An added feature located about halfway between both headquarters is the historic stone house, tucked back by a canyon spring with a remodeled roof and exterior, leaving inside for the buyer's completion. Located approximately 2 miles further into the ranch, complete with water and power, is the Hunter's headquarters with full year-round accommodations, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with screened porch, and 2 large barn or equipment sheds. Located completely within Hunting Unit 136, the Poitry Canyon Ranch is in the very heart of Colorado's best-kept secret, the Plains Elk Units. For over 20 years, the state's 5-month-long season of unlimited tags per hunter commences September 1st through January 31st and includes rifle through the rut for either sex with no antler restrictions, making for the most liberal elk tags in the nation. With most of the ranch properties in these units rather large holdings and less than 2% of the land being public, bull elk can become true trophies, with bulls measuring 411 and 388 inches taken in this unit in recent years. Las Animas County has also been ranked as high as number 2 in the state for producing monster Boone and Crockett mule deer, with new bucks making the books every year. The Poitry Canyon Ranch has averaged 4 to 5 landowner buck tags annually. Whitetails, while not common, are also seen in the canyons, and the ranch has received a couple pronghorn antelope tags annually as well. Merriam's turkeys abound, bear and lion are over-the-counter tags, and the water holes carry large flocks of doves in season. Although tags for Rocky Mountain bighorn sheep may take years to draw, Unit 136 does offer hunting for this one-of-a-kind animal. Complementing the 10 registered wells on the ranch, centrally located in the center pasture, are the working pens complete with water and storage tanks, complementing the 8.5 miles of water lines, 18 inline drinkers, and 8 dirt tanks. The ranch has been kept in ag status and has been carrying 80 to 100 pair of cattle annually, with a local rancher a willing tenant. With over 60,000 more applicants for Colorado big game tags this year over last, the demand for private quality recreational lands will only continue to soar. For a private qualified showing, please call Greg Little today at 970-946-0374.